Hi everyone! Today we're going to talk about grammar do and does. How to use do and does in sentences and questions. To make a question, we use do or does at the beginning of the question. So, how do you ask questions with do or does? You may start with do, followed by I, you, we, they, or names, or you may start with thus, followed by he, she, it, or a name. For example, you can ask, do I know you? Do you like English? Do we have to cut our hair? Do they want to come with us? For he, she, it, you use the word thus to ask questions. Does he work with you? Does she have a car? Does it snow in winter? Something is wrong.
Remember this, when using he, she, it with thus in a question, we lose the final s. There will be no added s to the verb.
Next, how to use do or does in a sentence. To start a sentence, start with I, you, we, they, or names, followed by do or don't, or he, she, it, or a name, followed by thus or doesn't. For example, you can say, yes, I or you or we or they do. No, I, you, we, they don't. Yes, he, she, it, thus, or no, he, she, it doesn't. For longer sentences, you can say, I do enjoy running, or you can just say, I enjoy running. And if you want to say something that is negative, you can say, you don't enjoy playing football. For longer sentences of he, she, it, you can say, she thus runs around the park. You can even just use she runs around the park. And if it's a negative sentence, you can say, he doesn't enjoy football as much as I do.
Notice that the third person verbs for negative sentences also loses the final s only for negative sentences. Let me give you a few more examples. She doesn't have a toy car. It doesn't snow in March.
Thank you for watching.